On this beautiful spring day, we at Gigi Forever 29 Train want to honor all the wonderful moms in our community, our beloved 29ers. Mother's Day is celebrated around the world, but not always on the same date. So today we send a special message of love and appreciation to our 29ers, celebrating in the United States, Canada, Australia, and New Zealand. From our heart to yours, happy Mother's Day to all the wonderful mothers. May your day be filled with joy, gratitude, and the warmth you so generously give to others.
Happy Mother's Day to the one who held me first. If moms were flowers, I'd pick you anywhere on earth. I remember those 3 a.m. lullabies, cracked and worn. Your tired voice, the only light when my small world felt torn. Behind every steady heartbeat in this home we grew inside stood a mother wide awake, so we never had to hide. Mom, I love you deeper than these words could ever show. Through every midnight fever, every fear you faced alone, you wiped my tears with hands that shook from all you gave away, and still smiled like the hardest nights were just another day. You gave me life, you gave me grace when I pushed you away. Thank you for the tears you hid. I love you more today. I may not say it often, but I see you, Mama. Every scar you never named. You are the warmest light on my coldest days. Happy Mother